Children, today we will read the chapter The Puss and the Parrot. Let's start with the new words. Hungry. Hungry matlab bhukha. Pause. Running. Here. Wait. It is raining. Push, the cat is feeling hungry. There is no food. There are no rats for the Push to eat. He looks here and there. He sees a parrot sitting on a tree. He requests the parrot. Push says, Mr. Parrot, you sing well. Please sing me a song for me. Parrot says, Okay, I'm feeling very happy. Yes, la 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 dadam. Now Push says, I cannot hear you, Mr. Parrot. Please come near me. Parrot says, No, Mr. Push, you may eat me. Push says, No, my dear, I am an old cat. I have no teeth. I cannot eat you. Parrot says, Then here I come. La 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 dadam. Then Push jumps on the parrot and holds him in his paws. Oh no. Push says, Now I am going to eat you. Ha ha ha. Parrot says, You are a good cat now. If you want to eat me, you must first wash your hands and face. This is what all good cats do. Push says, Just see how fast I wash my face and hands. You stand here and see, okay, parrot? Parrot says, No, I am not going to wait for you to eat me up. Here I go. Bye-bye, Push.